We're going to do this book in two parts. I Can Read About Weather. It was written by Robin Sopraner, illustrated by Courtney Studio and Dennis Davidson. When you wake up in the morning, do you look out the window? Excuse me. To see what kind of day it's going to be? Do you look up at the sky and wonder about the weather? Some days are rainy. Some days are cloudy and chilly. And some days, big flakes of snow come tumbling out of the sky. Each day brings a different kind of weather. The air all around you is part of the weather. Is the air calm or windy? Is it wet or dry? Clear or cloudy? Hot or cold? All these conditions make up the day's weather. Everywhere in the world, different kinds of weather are taking place. Somewhere people are sunbathing. Somewhere else a storm is raging. Thunder rumbles and lightning seems to crack the sky. But what makes the rain? What makes the snow? What makes different kinds of weather? All of our weather begins with the sun. The sun gives us heat. Sunshine warms everything it touches. You can feel the heat on a sunny day at the beach. On a hot day, you can feel the heat when you go down the slide after it has been baking in the sun. When the sun shines, something else happens. Lakes, rivers, and oceans grow warmer. Ponds and pools grow warmer too. A wet towel left stretched out in the sunshine soon dries. Puddles dry up. The water seems to disappear. What is happening? The warm weather is changing into a gas called water vapor. This is called evaporation. The hotter the sun is, the faster the water evaporates. It does not really disappear. It becomes an invisible part of the air. The warm air with water vapor in it rises high above the earth, where the air is cool. This movement of air creates the wind. As the warm air rises to where the air is cool, something important happens. The water vapor in the air changes into millions of tiny drops of water. The droplets bunch together. They make a cloud. Do you remember the last time you played outdoors on a very cold day? Do you remember the tiny clouds that formed every time you breathed out? That was because your breath contains water vapor. When the warm water vapor was cooled by the chilly air, it changed into tiny droplets. It made a little cloud. Big clouds are made in much the same way. There are many kinds of clouds. Each sort of cloud can help us tell what the weather will be. Soft, fluffy clouds that look like puffs of cotton are called cumulus clouds. When cumulus clouds sail the sky, the weather will be fair. It's a good day for a picnic. Clouds that look wispy are called cirrus clouds. They are thin and wispy. They float so high in the sky that they usually have ice crystals in them. Cirrus clouds are fair weather clouds. Cirrostratus clouds are also high in the sky. They look like thin, whitish sheets. When you see cirrostratus clouds, you had better pack an umbrella in your picnic basket. The weather might just change from fair to rainy. Next time I'll do the second part of this book.